All right, guys, this is Rob and Alyssa of Theme Park Review. We're here riding White Lightning at Fun Spot America in Orlando, and we are here to say thank you for our 1 million subscribers. You guys are awesome. 1 million.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros.
That is more people than even live in Wichita, Kansas. Thank you for taking the ride with us for the last however many years. And now we invite you to come and take this ride with us. Woo-hoo! Oh! Here it comes. Woo! Oh, man. 1 million! Woo! Oh! Whee! Whee! 1 million subscribers. Can you believe 1 million? 1 million, that's a whole lot of people. 1 million. Woo-hoo! Oh! Woo! That's even more people than live here in Orlando. 1 million people.
Come ride with us, all million of you. Let's go.
1 million people could fit on this train, this White Lightning train. 1 million. All right, thanks everybody, and we look forward to our next million.
Definitely. See you soon.
Next 10 million. Bye-bye, everyone.